Hello and welcome to video 6 of Ignite Your Inner Healer. Today we're going to be talking about thoughts, beliefs, feelings and emotions. This is when things get really exciting. We've already covered what fuels the body at the cellular level: oxygen, water, nutrients, ability to eliminate waste. The next part about this is that they are governed by a governing body, and that governing body is our brain. What we now know, thanks to cellular biologists, including the likes of Bruce Lipton and neuroscientists like Dr. Joe Dispenza, and also wonderful people like Greg Braden, who are experiencing indigenous cultures and how they live in these incredible places and how they create and influence their lives through thought alone, is just phenomenal. And this is when things start to get really exciting. So what I just want to give you a little idea about here is how our brain, how our thoughts, beliefs, feelings and emotions can quite literally impact the health of every cell in our body. We now know that when the body is in a calm and relaxed state, it's in a healing state. And what we also know is that we can trigger this kind of state at any point in time through various forms of meditation. So there's a company called the Institute of HeartMath, based in California, I think it's California, and they've been studying the heart since the early 90s, and what they have found is that the heart has a brain. And what they have found is that there are 40,000 sensory neurites in the heart, brain-like cells in the heart. This is phenomenal. It's literally a second brain. We have 3 actually: head brain, heart brain, gut brain. Tons of neurotransmitters in the gut. It's amazing, but let's focus on the heart right now. What they have found at the Institute of HeartMath is that there is communication going on between the head brain and the heart brain all the time. Interestingly, they have found that 90% of communication goes from the head to the heart, not the other way around. And what they have also found is our thoughts, our beliefs, feelings and emotions impact what is called communication coherence between the head and the heart, or rather the heart and the head. Any negative emotion and thoughts create an incoherent state. On a graph, it looks like this, like a jagged line. And a coherent state is a nice flowy line. And when you have a coherent state, also known as heart-brain harmony, this is when we have a healing state in our body, and this is when amazing stuff happens. Anti-aging hormones, the body is in a healing state. You secrete more human growth hormone, and some wonderful things happen. In fact, your immune system is charged for an extra 6 hours. It's on the supercharge for up to 6 hours after you do something called a heart-brain harmony meditation. And the beautiful thing about this is it doesn't take very long. So what do we do to align the head and the heart? The simplest thing to do is to slow down your breathing. Just like any kind of meditation, focus on your breathing, just for a few moments, in and out for a few moments. Nice deep breath. Out, in and out. And you just do this for just a couple of minutes and you close your eyes. And the next thing you want to do is put your hands on your heart, or even a finger, or even a prayer mudra. But wherever you put your thumb, you're bringing attention away from wherever else you might be, like namely in your head, and it puts the focus on your heart. And what this does is it really helps to channel the focus away from anything else. You want to take away the focus from anything else and into the heart. And when you're doing this really slow breathing, which by the way, breathing alone changes the state of the entire body, your psychology. See what happens if you do just 3 minutes of focused breathing. It's amazing how different you will feel. You can use that in any kind of environment when you feel yourself getting stressed, to start breathing. This is like a meditation supercharged, and they've been doing this in indigenous cultures for many thousands of years. And what they have found, the effects it has on the body is so profound. So slow down your breathing, and then you put your hand, I tend to do this, you just put your hand on your heart. I'm taking the focus away from my head into here. You then get into a state of one of 4 emotions. These have been found to be the most effective. They are appreciation, gratitude, care, and compassion. With your hand on your heart and you're slowing down your breathing, think of someone or something you're appreciating. I tend to use the appreciation one, or someone or something you care about, in your life right now or in the past, anything that you're grateful for, anything that you're appreciative for, or anyone, or someone you care about. Because what it does is it changes the signals between the heart and the brain. Scientifically proven. Just do this for a few minutes and you will calm down your whole body and you will just be feeling so much more relaxed. The next cool thing about this is it helps to develop your intuition, and you can start to ask your heart some really interesting questions and you start to get this answer from it, which is amazing. Talking about this next in the next advanced program. For now, talk about this, or do this, it's really amazing. See how calm you can make your body in just a matter of moments through heart-brain harmony. We now know that our thoughts, our beliefs, our feelings and our emotions affect every cell in our body. This is brilliantly pioneered by Bruce Lipton, who wrote The Biology of Belief and the Honeymoon Effect. Quick point about the honeymoon effect. They have found when couples are head over heels in love, in that first kind of, let's say 6 months, they're head over heels in love with each other. They're just focused on each other all the time. They don't not a care in the world, and their maybe sex lives through the roof. All these amazing chemicals going around the body. They have been found to have very strong immune systems, scientifically proven. What he talks about in The Biology of Belief and the Honeymoon Effect is that we can actually mirror this every single day. We can actually put ourselves into a state of love as much, way more than we otherwise would be, just by changing our focus, which is how our thoughts, our beliefs, feelings and emotions impact the body. So for now, think about this heart-brain harmony thing. Just reflect on what this video has been about, because it's a very, very powerful one. Hit the link below this video for other links, and I'll see you in the next one, which is all about energizing and eliminating. See you in the next video.